Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
This, all right. Good afternoon, everyone. Can you hear me?
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Good
Good
afternoon,
Yes,
sir.
afternoon.
sir.
Afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Sir.
I think you can also see me. And now I think I can switch off my video part. Wait, people are coming. Okay, I'm switching off my video part. All right. So uh, I hope we have cleared all the queries that you were having yesterday. I hope I have cleared. So probably let us now go with the syllabus part. Okay. So your syllabus for particular, I'm going to take, by the way, your paper number 1101. Can you see the my screen? I have shared the PDF with you. Can you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So I think you can see the my screen, and I have also shared my syllabus the, for the paper number 1101 and 1102. I think वो भी मैडम ने शेयर कर दिया था, तो शायद आपके पास syllabus तो है, I think. All right. So let us start with your syllabus now. चलते हैं सीधा syllabus के ऊपर. That is basically your mechanics. I am going to take your mechanics particularly for unit number 2 and unit number 3. So we will first complete your unit number 2, and after the completion of unit 2, we will go with the unit number 3. So as far as unit 2 is concerned, so here I have written all your what you can say syllabus part, that also you can see easily कि भाई क्या क्या है इसके अंदर. And suppose आपने ध्यान से देखा हो सिलेबस, तो आई थिंक आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये जो सिलेबस है that is basically from your 11th and 12th science itself. I request all of you to please mute yourself. I request all of you to please mute yourself.
Sir, will you share the syllabus on the Teams?
Yeah, I have already shared on the team itself. But if you are not having, then definitely I will share. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I'll check that out. I haven't checked
Yeah,
it yet.
yeah, fine. No problem, no problem. Just go through it. Suppose nahi mile to then let me know. All right.
Yeah, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So now I think you can see the unit number 2 particularly. The chapter number 1, chapter number 2, and chapter number 3 in unit number 2 itself, the collision, rotational dynamics, and elasticity. So, if I remember correctly, if I remember my 11th and 12th science, then it was there in my 11th and 12th science. And I think जब आपके syllabus में भी था 11th और 12th science में. So I more or less I can say that you will have to brush up something. That means syllabus आपको वही का वही repeat हो रहा है. But at the same time, we will go with further more detail of all the basic part that you have studied in your 11th and 12th science. All right, so you must have studied. So let us start with the collision. Let us maybe within a 1 or 2 or even 2 lectures, within the 2 lectures, I will complete your collision chapter, and then I will go with the rotational part. For that, I will take around 3 to 4 lectures, and then I will go with the elasticity. And in that elasticity chapter, probably I will need hardly 2 or maybe 3 lectures. So after that, I will go with the your unit number 2. So as far as your paper number 1101 core mechanics is concerned, here are some of, I can say, some of reference books that is written in your syllabus. The first is your Mechanics by D.S. Mathur, then Kepler and Berkeley Volume 1 and Resnick Halliday. So I hope you people are also aware of the Resnick Halliday and Walker. So probably आपने भी use किया होगा. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So probably,
yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I think I should have asked one more question. There are people basically from many people, I can say they are basically from Gujarati medium. So जिसका ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ જેનું પણ ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ હતું એને કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ સપોઝ મેં જે બોલી રહ્યો છું તેમને કંઈ સમજવા માટે પ્રોબ્લેમ પ્લીઝ લેટ મી નો પર્ટિક્યુલરલી ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ પીપલ.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
ઓકે
No, sir.
થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. સો પેલું શું કહેવાય આપણે જમાનો હવે મોબાઈલનો છે તો મોબાઈલમાં બધું ઇંગ્લિશમાં જ ચાલે છે તો ઘણું બધું તમને એવું બી નહીં થાય કે તમને સમજવા નથી આવતું. બરાબર છે ને?
બરાબર સાહેબ બરાબર.
બરાબર છે, sir.
હા સાહેબ.
So my point is, whatever is the language, suppose अभी मैं भले ही गुजराती में मैंने बताया कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन, कुछ गुजराती में भी बताऊंगा, कोई इश्यू नहीं है मुझे बताने में. सपोज नहीं समझ में आया, सी बाय द वे फिजिक्स के जो ये
Your voice, man.
तो आई थिंक इतना ज्यादा इश्यू तो आपको भी होने वाला नहीं है. यस. So the point is, आपकी exam, you have supposed to write everything in your exam that will be your English medium. So yeah, you may face some problem. Suppose कुछ problem हो सकता है initially आपको, but the point is आपको यही से आपका ट्रेनिंग शुरू होता है with college as well as in English medium. So गुजराती मीडियम स्पेसिफिकली जिसको भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कभी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो कि सर ये लैंग्वेज समझ में नहीं आ रही है या उस पर्टिकुलर मे बी लेक्चर में भी सपोज कुछ ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट हुआ तो लेक्चर में भी उसको ले सकता हूं मैं, बट सपोज नहीं हुआ, ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, देन आई विल आल्सो रिस्पॉन्ड in your chat box also. So don't hesitate to contact me in case of any problem. ऑल राइट, जो ऑलरेडी इंग्लिश मीडियम है तो उनका तो कोई मतलब रूटीन ही है, दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. पर्टिकुलरली आई एम टॉकिंग स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द गुजराती मीडियम पीपल, because yeah, you may face some initially you may face some problem, but the point is you have to develop yourself, or you have to learn. और मतलब आप मोबाइल देखते हो, प्लस आप अभी जो वैकेशन था मतलब लॉकडाउन पीरियड तो था, मे बी आप सबको काफी लोड हो, तो मतलब आई एम नॉट सेइंग फॉर ऑल द पीपल, you people also have habit of watching इंग्लिश मूवी, जिसका मतलब हॉलीवुड की मूवी या कोई भी इंग्लिश मीडियम आप देखते रहते हो, राइट? तो आई डोंट थिंक इतना भी प्रॉब्लम होने वाला है. थोड़ा बहुत हल्का बहुत थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा, दैट वी विल फाइट टुगेदर, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट एंड डोंट हेजिटेट टू share your problem with me. ऑलराइट, प्लीज जिसका भी माइक ऑन है प्लीज आप ऑफ कर दीजिए. Please keep, I request all of you to please switch off your microphone so that आपको भी चांस मिलेगा बोलने के लिए, कहने के लिए, so don't worry about it. But जब सपोज मैं लेक्चर ले रहा हूँ तब then please don't, it would be better कि कोई डिस्टर्बेंस ना आए, अदरवाइज थोड़ा सा chaos चल हो जाएगा, प्रॉब्लम होगा. तो बेटर है कि आपका माइक्रोफोन ऑफ रहे, वो ज्यादा बेटर है. ऑलराइट, thank you. So let us go with your syllabus part. I think I cannot see now any extra student for that. So yes, I have.
Sir, which book we prefer?
I am coming to that point. Wait for some time. So here are the list of books. D.S. Mathur. That I have bold the first book. That major part of your syllabus will be covered from this mechanics by D.S. Mathur. सपोज आपको लाइब्रेरी में आने का चांस मिले तो देर आर मल्टीपल कॉपीज अवेलेबल इन योर लाइब्रेरी इटसेल्फ. सो प्रोबेबली सपोज जब भी आपको चांस मिले यूनिवर्सिटी में विजिट करने का और लाइब्रेरी में जाने का पर्टिकुलरली, देन यू कैन इजीली व्हाट यू कैन से take it from your library for the reading purpose. So major part that I will cover from the D.S. Mathur book itself. But yeah, I told you yesterday also that you are not bound to use any single book, or you are not bound to use only the concept or only the material that I am providing. You can use any, but you can use from anywhere. I don't have any issue with that one, because scientific concept change नहीं होने वाला, थोड़ी बहुत language ऊपर नीचे हो रही, that is all right, that is acceptable, even that is not even the issue. All right, so major part that I'm going to cover from your DS Mathur, and probably unit number 1 का जो mechanics वाला जो part है, I think वो भी आपका major part आपका DS Mathur में cover हो जाएगा. That your concerned teacher will inform regarding this. Okay, so I'm not going in that detail. But yes, as far as unit number 2 is concerned, I am going to follow DS Mathur. Yet I have not decided which for your unit number 3. All right, so I will come to that part when I start teaching your unit number 3. So yeah, unit number 2 that I am going to take from your book DS Mathur. And moreover, I must say that major part of your this unit number 2 is actually from your 11th and 12th साइंस बुक. सो प्लीज आप अपने पास एज अ रेफरेंस बुक अपने पास ही रखना 11th और 12th साइंस की बुक, सो दैट आपको सपोज कोई भी क्वेरी हो तो वहां से आप अपना ब्रशअप कर सको, मतलब रिवाइज कर सको अपने कंसेप्ट. ऑलराइट, सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज कीप योर 11th and 12th साइंस बुक विथ यू एवरी टाइम, सो दैट बिकॉज आपको भी पता है कि वहां से आपने पढ़ा है पहले, तो उसका ज्यादा आपको पता है कि कहाँ कहाँ क्या कंसेप्ट है. So I request to please keep your material with you itself. All right. Yes. So let us go with the unit number 2, that is a collision. So yeah, can you please tell me? So by the way, my lecture would be regarding kind of, I can say, one-to-one interaction will be there. एक्चुअली लेक्चर में थोड़ा ज्यादा मजा आता था मुझे, अब यहाँ पर वो कैसे हैंडल हो रहा है आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट यस आई विल ट्राई कि थोड़ा इंटरेक्शन होता रहे, थोड़ा मतलब इट विल नॉट बी ओनली वन वे, ट्रैफिक नहीं रहेगा. आई विल ऑल्सो गिव यू सम इनफ चांस टू इंटरेक्ट विथ मी एंड टू आंसर. ओके, एंड यस, सो कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय collision. So probably collision आपने पढ़ा है. So what is the meaning of collision? And later on, the point is I'm going to cover the main point is what is the importance of studying collision all over. मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल बहुत सारी जगह पे आपका कोलिजन आपने देखा होगा, सुना होगा. व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस और क्या इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है कोलिजन स्टडी करने से? दैट इज आवर अल्टीमेट एम ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर. सो यस, द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज अ कोलिजन. सो आई नीड सम आंसर. व्हाट इज अ कोलिजन?
When two bodies collide with each other.
ओके प्लीज. ये पीपीटी में से मत बोलना प्लीज. वो मैंने लिखा है तो आप उसमें से पढ़ सकते हो. जो आपको पता है जस्ट आप बता दीजिए. व्हाट इज अ कोलिजन? व्हेन टू बॉडी इंटरैक्ट विद ईच अदर. फाइन. देन
Sir, when
So-
different amount of forces are in opposite direction and they situate at a particular point, and this means that the collision is occurred.
in some sense, yes, you are right. By the way, you are completely right. But since we are starting, just that is why I'm. Yeah, you are right. By the way, I'm not saying that you are wrong. But since we are starting, so let's not go with that much depth for a moment. But by the way, you are right. Yeah, Aman Singh, you are right. Okay, what about other?
Exchange of energy.
થતું ઘર્ષણ.
Sorry, Gujarati માં બોલો please. ફરીથી.
બે વસ્તુઓમાં થતું ઘર્ષણ.
Okay, fine. Okay, I have one more simple
Exchange of
example. You are,
energy.
yes, right. Exchange of energy, right. Okay, now I have a simple, one much more simpler version of question actually. So suppose मैं आपके साथ बात कर रहा हूँ. When I am interacting with you people, and you people are also interacting with me, or else you people are also interacting with among each other, or else you people are also interacting with your family maybe, right? Not अभी नहीं कर रहे हो, बाद में suppose करने वाला. So can you say that जो आप मेरे साथ बातचीत कर रहे हैं वो आप अंदर अंदर बात कर रहे हैं वो, या तो फिर यू आर इंटरेक्टिंग विथ योर फैमिली मेंबर इटसेल्फ. सो कैन यू से कि वो कोलिजन हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
Yes, sir.
फाइन. यस
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So the question is now, what is a collision? किसको हम collision कहते हैं? I have a much simpler meaning or simple word for a collision. The meaning or simple word is interaction. Rather talking about collision, one can also simply say that it is a kind of interaction. That means what? That doesn't matter कि suppose इतना ज्यादा हमने इंटरेक्शन मतलब कहते हैं ना कि इतनी ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन भी सपोज मैंने आपको जो पढ़ा है सब कुछ समझ में आ रहा है तो वो भी इंटरेक्शन हुआ एक टाइप का, या कोलिजन हुआ. या सपोज नहीं समझ में आया तो भी इंटरेक्शन हुआ या कोलिजन हुआ. सो इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज यहाँ पर जो आपके जो बुक में लिखा है दैट इज द मीनिंग जो आपने बहुत लोगों ने बताया. राइट, टू बॉडी आर अप्रोचिंग ईच अदर. when two bodies are basically when they approach with each other, a force come into the play between them for a finite time and brings about a measurable change. Here for a moment I have written only in terms of velocity, momenta or energy, but it can be anything. Measurable change, that means you can simply measure कि भाई इतना change हुआ. अब suppose in all like simple लैंग्वेज में बताऊं तो suppose कितना change हुआ that also depend on suppose कहते हैं ना कि that also depend on कि क्या क्या कौन सी चीज के ऊपर इंटरेक्शन हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो हम रोड पे जो सपोज एक्सीडेंट हुआ सपोज वो तो आपको समझ में आता है कि सपोज कोई दो व्हीकल का इंटरेक्शन हुआ. दैट मीन्स आपको भी पता है कि क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम इवन वी एवरी डे वी यूज टू रीड इन योर न्यूज़पेपर और इन न्यूज चैनल कि भाई एक्सीडेंट हुआ तो ये हुआ. अब बात आती है कि सपोज देखा जाए तो सपोज हम रोड पे जाते हैं तो सपोज हम कहते हैं ना कि सपोज एकदम पास से गुजरते हैं, भले ही एक्सीडेंट जैसा कुछ होता नहीं है, फिजिकल कांटेक्ट नहीं होता, then we can say that yes, there are some kind of interaction. That means the second point that I have mentioned, when two particles may not touch with each other, then also we can say that they are collide with each other. That does see collision, that doesn't mean they are कोलाइडिंग हेड ऑन कोलिजन, थोड़ा सा भी पास से भी गुजरा, भले ही इंटरेक्शन कम हुआ, बट दैट देन आल्सो यू कैन कॉल इट व्हाट यू कैन से a collision may occur. So what is the there are many things that one basically one can say study with the help of that collision. So what happen when the particles are basically when the not particles, when two bodies, see actually I have mentioned many things, I have mentioned as a particles means that you can consider a smaller particle or bigger particle, that means you bigger body or smaller body, that is why I used to write a particle actually. So that is why I have mentioned only a particle. When the particles are approaching with each other, so what will happen initially or as a first observation, a large force or relatively large force interacting or large forces exchanging. That means a large force for a relatively short period of time acts on each other. That also we can call it a impulse. That may happen that motion of particle or at least one of the particle is changed. For example, आपके पास एक छोटा सा particle है, such as a marble. Just throw the marble on a wall. So what will happen? If one of the particle is changed, that means the position of your marble will change, but not the wall. Right? Am I right? समझ में आ रहा है आपको बात, concept थोड़े बहुत?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So ultimately, in this collision, so you will have to consider many things such as momentum conservation and energy conservation that one has to study. So in after end of this collision, so before collision and after collision, the total momentum, what do you mean by momentum?
नहीं
Product
Do you
of
mean
mass into mass and
yes,
velocity.
yeah, mass into velocity.
acceleration.
Yes, not mass into acceleration, that is a force, come on, mass into velocity, right? And the energy, that means the sum of total momentum and the sum of total energy of the particle remains unchanged, but that is that energy will be remain unchanged only in the case of elastic collision. Either I will come to that part, I will come to that part. Yes, yes. Sorry. Okay, the two particles may not touch with each other. For example, एक simple सा example देता हूँ मैं कि suppose आप रोड पे चलते हो, आप suppose रोड पे जा रहे हो, आप suppose आपके पास एक साइकिल है और सामने वाला भी साइकिल है. So suppose आपको भी पता है कि आप एक दूसरे suppose सामने ही आ रहे हो, but what will happen suppose if at all you want to say what you can say in order to avoid the collision between two people, for example cycle. So what you will do, you will one of the candidates, suppose आप change करो या आपके सामने वाला, or else दोनों लोग आपका रास्ता चेंज कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओके लेट मी ट्राई टू ड्रॉ समथिंग. ओके जस्ट गिव मी a minute, आई एम ट्राइंग टू ड्रॉ समथिंग. ओके कोई स्टूडेंट और भी है. ओके जस्ट a minute. Where is it? Okay, device enter raise, so background turn on, keep अभी यहाँ पर नहीं है मेरे पास ऐसा ऑप्शन, अदरवाइज मैं करता हूँ. मैं कीपैड यहाँ पर नहीं है, मे बी ड्राइंग अभी मैं यहाँ पर. कहाँ है पेन बॉक्स?
ऊपर है सर.
पीडीएफ में नहीं है, पीडीएफ की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं. ये पीडीएफ में आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग इन पीडीएफ. ये पेन, no, I cannot do this thing actually in this. I'm searching for that whiteboard in this team itself. It was there initially. I'm not able to find out right now. Initially, it was there. It was not. It is not there right now. Okay. The point is, yeah. I'm coming that point. For example, so what will happen? Suppose आप 80 ट्रैक पे चलते हो. For example, दोनों लोग साइकिल लेके आ रहे. Suppose मैं चला रहा हूँ और सामने से आपकी साइकिल लेके आ रहे. So what I will do is, or what you will do is, in order to avoid the collision. So what simply we will do, we will simply change our path. Either I will change the path, or you will change the path, or else we both simultaneously will change the path. So what is exactly happening is that कि suppose हम दोनों ने अपना path change किया, then also one can simply say that even though we have not experienced any physical contact, then also one can simply say that it is collision is taking place. But that is not the point. That मतलब collision is, see, understand the concept. Collision, that doesn't mean कि वो एक दूसरे के साथ टकरा गए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक और सिंपल सा एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ, थोड़ा और ज्यादा समझ में आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपके पास अपने प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन, इलेक्ट्रॉन आपको पता है, राइट? यू पीपल नो अवेयर ऑफ प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके, व्हाट इज द चार्ज ऑफ प्रोटॉन, व्हाट इज द चार्ज ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन, एंड व्हाट इज द चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन? प्रोटॉन का है पॉजिटिव, न्यूट्रॉन न्यूट्रल, ओके, और इलेक्ट्रॉन का हमारा है नेगेटिव. और आपको भी पता है कि कूलम्ब लॉ भी आपने पढ़ा है. दैट मींस कूलम्ब लॉ सेज दैट your force is q1 q2 over r square, but the direction is okay, that also depend on the type of charge. For example, positive, then that means it is a negative, that will be a repulsion. And when you have positive and negative charge, and then that means they are attracting with each other. So that means, for example हमारे पास, we take a proton and proton. So suppose when we smash the proton with another proton, for example, दोनों का collision हम करवाने जाएंगे. So what will happen? Are they going to collide?